If you're focused on navigating your interpersonal relationships, being successful at work, and handling the business of living, then you have a lot on your plate. Now let's add 2.5 hours a day on your phone looking at pictures of people who seem to have a better life than you and being barraged by a constant stream of choices. 5 things you should eat to avoid cancer. 10 ways to make sure he never cheats. Click here to save 25% on your car insurance. Here's a list of all the bad soaps you might be using. A new study says you should drink red wine every day. A newer study says alcohol causes heart disease. Will the government take your retirement? On and on and on as we scroll. Our phones make our lives overwhelming and can result in increased anxiety and depression. Now, as if that's not enough, recently much of the media we have been regularly consuming is broadcasting the following message. Your beliefs are under attack. It's time to panic. This can take someone who is already overwhelmed and put them into a frenzy. In this state, you might do things like distance yourself from family members who have different beliefs, or lash out at friends for expressing their opinions, or isolate yourself. Now, I experience this frenzy from time to time, and I don't really find it to be overly healthy. So here's what I've been trying to do, and it seems to help. For every minute I spend on my phone looking at social media or consuming the news, I spend another minute meditating or doing mindfulness exercises. This allows me to stay informed, but keeps me from going off the rails.